Hi, welcome back. In the previous chapter, we discussed about an overview of procedural programming, and we saw how to solve the problem that we have, which is about finding the area of a rectangle. Okay. In this chapter, we will solve this problem. We will write a program. We will write a simple C program and help you understand how to write a simple program to solve the area of a rectangle. In this demo, we will look at solving the problem of finding the area of a rectangle by executing the procedural program. So we have written a C program in the previous video. So now we will execute that program. So for this purpose, I'm using a free site called jdoodle.com, and this is a very simple a site which gives you an option to write different types of programs, and which will be useful to just get started with the world of programming. Okay, so you can go to jdoodle.com, and it comes with a free registration. So, and you don't need to take any priced solution. So just a free solution is sufficient for our learning. So just use the current plan and just sign in, and you get a basic ID using which you can develop different programs. So that's more than enough for your personal learning. In the later classes, later courses, we will basically use a more sophisticated ID. So I will talk about that later. So let us go to GDoodle, and here you can go ahead and start coding. So by clicking this button, start coding, you will have an option to run a program. For example, you can use a Java environment. This is the default. In addition to this, you have an option to go ahead and select these products and click on online coding, where you get an option of developing various programming environments. So here I will choose a procedural programming environment C for my requirement, and here it automatically brings a sample program. So let us remove this and bring our rectangle program. So to compute the area of a rectangle, so I have already have the same compute area, and as I discussed in the previous video, main function is the entry point for the C program, and we basically have this compute area, and where I am invoking the compute area and getting the area of the rectangle and printing this particular area. So let us execute this program. So in order to execute this, you can just click on this execute button here. So you would see that the output area of rectangle is 200, which is what we expected. So this is a very simple mechanism of writing a simple procedural program.